Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to edit text in a scanned document but find yourself unable to select or copy anything? In this video, I'll show you how you can convert the scanned PDF to Word so you can edit it hassle-free. Let's go. To convert a scanned PDF to a Word document that can be edited, you usually need to use something called Optical Character Recognition, or OCR technology. A scanned PDF is basically a picture of a document. OCR is a feature that lets software read the text in the picture and change it into text you can select and edit. This tool that I'll recommend uses OCR technology to help you convert scanned PDFs into Word documents. Besides converting scanned PDFs to Word using its OCR, this tool typically offers conversion between PDF and various other formats like Excel, PowerPoint, images, JPG, PNG, etc., text, and HTML. This allows you to convert files into or out of the PDF format easily. You can download it for free using the link I've provided in the description box below. And if you want to access all the features of this tool, you can buy it at a discounted price with the same link. After you've installed it, open the software to start the process. You'll see a simple and easy-to-use interface. Look for the OCR PDF option, which you'll find on the home screen. Click on it to start the conversion. Select the file and tap on Open. After your PDF loads in PDF Editor, you'll see a prompt to download the OCR plugin. Tap Download Now to begin the installation. This will take a while. Once the dialog box appears to set up the scanned PDF, define the output format, page range, and document language. First, from Output Format, select Scan to Editable Text. Next, specify your desired page range. Finally, choose the correct language for the document. This is crucial for improving OCR accuracy as it helps the engine correctly identify characters and prevent errors. After setting up, now click Perform OCR. This process might take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how big the file is and how complex the document is. When the conversion is done, you can start editing it. The text, formatting, and layout should be kept the same, but you can change the content. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.